You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Where is she? Where is that girl? Where is that girl that they get of hell and they get of heaven and rejected? Where is she? Where is she? I have come to show you who I am. The minute I have come for Yasawa and I came prepared. You want to drag my man with me or where? Yasawa, you want to take an hour from me? I will not let you do it.
Pukala,
I am mad.
what's the meaning of this now?
The minute I have come to deal with you.
Respect yourself.
Get him there, man.
Akudo.
Give me my man.
I'm looking for my job, Akudo.
I will give you
I'm looking for my job.
I will not allow a small girl like you.
Respect yourself.
Take my hand from me. I'm a man. You will not take my man from me. Who are you?
What is
Ogini.
it? What is
it?
it?
Want this girl? Want this girl to leave my husband alone?
Huh?
Tell her to leave my husband alone.
Anayo.
I will kill you. Hey!
See my dog, imagine my customer screen. Akudo, don't touch my dummy again.
If I touch his kidney, if I touch his kidney, you do what? Get a cake here, Massey. Get a cake here, man. Get a cake here, man. Get a cake here, man.
Akudo.
Who is that? Who is that man person hitting my head like that? Come, where is this? Momo get man. Where are you? Down my leg. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Oh, you. I have come for you, you shameless betrayer. I have come to show you that my sister has someone like you.
And you these idiots. When did you start opening my gate to any animal you see on the street?
Madam, I'm sorry.
Are you mad?
Wait a minute.
Eh?
Linda, did you just call me an animal?
Listen, if you dare come more closer, I will teach you a strong lesson that would make you to run away anytime you see any pregnant woman without anyone chasing you.
Afoma, please, stop. When did you come to this house? Sister, I am done with my exams. And I have come to show this fool, this thing, that she cannot come here and take your husband from you. Okay, you are going inside. Alu ye Maggie. You are going inside.
Afoma, stop.
Okay, I am here for you.
Afoma, what is it? What has come over you? Can't you see that Linda is pregnant?
Sister, no! No! She is not! She is not! I am going to teach her the very lesson of her life!
Afoma, stop. I'm not complaining and I'm taking everything, every insult they are giving me in this house. I'm taking it in good faith.
Sister, it's a lie! It's a lie! It's not me!
Akudo, you're trying me.
I will deal with you.
You're trying me, Akudo.
I will kill you.
Akudo.
Leave my husband alone.
Hey.
Leave my husband alone.
Respect yourself.
Leave my husband alone.
I will kill you.
I will kill you.
You will not do anything, Akudo. You don't do anything.
You should stop fighting now. Stop fighting. I tell someone.
You.
Akudo, what's going on now?
I will take. I will blow you now.
Sorry, man. Touch me again. You know what? I was for you too.
What the hell? You mean you want to fight? Come back and fight, Joe.
Come
back and fight. You want to fight?
Your wife slapped you.
Your
wife slapped you.
I am waiting for you at home.
Hey!
Come back to the house.
Come back and fight, you don't want to fight again.
Hey!
Come back and fight. Oh yeah,
Your wife slapped you.
Nonsense woman.
It's okay. Anayo, second slap in 2 minutes. Hey, from east and west, slap is landing on your face. You see, this is my cheek. It's too fragile for a slap to land on it. Never! Anna. What did I do?
You are still here talking. Are you still here talking? You don't want to go.
I do?
You don't want to go. You must say my boy.
Afoma, please. I can't remember come. complaining to you or anyone. I don't want you or anyone to fight my battle for me. This is my cross and I'm carrying it. Please, I don't want you to cause problem for me and my husband. Afoma, please don't do this to me, please. I don't want troubles. I don't want any troubles, Afoma. Please.
I am not here to listen to your pleas. I am here to deal with that thing.
Afoma.
See?
Afoma, can you stop? Can you stop?
Betrayal? She betrayed you. Can't you see?
I'm not complaining. I'm happy. Please.
Really?
I don't want you to cause problem between me and my husband. Afoma, please. Just calm down. Afoma.
And you, what are you doing here? What are you just doing here?
Mrs. Ocham, it's okay. Please. Ozugo.
You are sorry. Yeah, I need is sorry. Because of that charcoal. If I'm not spying upon you again. You see the rubbish I used to take from her is because of you. But let me tell you something. Enough is enough. Ozugo. Do you understand me? I am the mother of your own child, your son. Who is she? Okay, you see Biggie. Why am I not washing up? They see from Biggie. We can't know better to for all my dummies. Do you see my clothes? Do you see my customers' clothes? You see me, you are sorry. Papa.
Ozugo. I don't know the meaning of all these things. Okay. It's okay.
You will still not the meaning, no? Your wife thinks she's mad, Abby. You don't tell her that I have half current and full current. And when blue and black wire, I'm to get that or spark here. You not tell her. You gonna have both a man alone, and man do okay. Man is Hoffman. It's alright. She will see madness. It's okay.
Maybe she's looking at your skin color, but she doesn't know your profile is not normal.
I'm okay now.
But let's just forget about her.
I'm not gonna mad okay, Abby. You don't tell her that I'm not alright. Keep the color outside though. Man, I don't know for people's trouble in this village, but if you look for my trouble, I will give it to you. Double. I'm walk and do what's your life here. Tomorrow. Pick up apple, come and go. I want to go back to my house because I'm done for the day. I'm an entrepreneur.
I should go.
I'm an entrepreneur. Come and start going.
I've told you.
What do you tell me? See my shop because your wife. Why are do walk? For bam everything I know, not to show for it. You see that? No problem. That's how in the village. I will deal with her. Krum, bless me. I will deal with that girl. Oyeko, who is she? Huh? Who is she?
Ako, you did well. Okwefulogwa. Hey, as someone, we see what she is looking for in this village. But I do not blame her. I blame my brother. But you see that my useless brother, he definitely will see what he is looking for too.
Hey! I don't blame them. I don't blame her someone. I blame her sheep. If not, where will she see my husband to drag with me? A big Ogafia. Eh? But don't worry. For her to make me lose my only child, though. Eh? I swear, I will stop at nothing until she loses her son. I will deal with her.
One. Ako, if Logwa, I am with you day in, day out. If someone, but I blame my brother. I have said it before and I will say it again. When he was busy collecting gift items from her, did we not warn him? How will I know?
How will I know? No, eh? How will I know? But don't worry. Let me go to my shop and lock it. I'm coming. Let her bring her war. When I saw this village, I will show her.
I trust you. Tear her into pieces. As someone, what you are looking for, you got for.
Hello, baby. They have killed me, oh. They have killed me. Yes. Her sister was supporting her. Baby, you better come back, oh. You better come back before these people will finish me here. Yes. I'm waiting for you, oh. Okay. I'm waiting.
Miss, I'm so sorry for what my sister did. I'm sorry.
You are not sorry yet. Just wait till our husband come back, you shall see. No, you are only mad at me just because I gave our husband what you couldn't give to him till you entered menopause. Is it my fault that you couldn't give him a child? How is it my fault?
Linda, I didn't come here for you to insult me. I came to apologize for what my sister did to you. If I had known she would be here, I would have stopped her. Yes.
You. Gloria, do I really look like a joke to you? No, I look like a big joke, yeah? If you can look into my eyes and tell such stupid lie, eh? You're nothing but a big fat liar. You can go and tell that to the birds of the sky, not to me. I'm not daft. Idiots. Listen, as for that your useless sister, by the time I'm done teaching her a strong lesson, she will learn never to cross her foot into this compound again. Idiots.
Linda, this is not fair. This is not right. My sister was angry because of the way you treat me.
Eh?
Please. What she did wasn't intentional. Let me ask you a question. What have I done to you? Just tell me, let me apologize if I've wronged you without knowing.
Gloria, your sister is angry because of the way I treat you or because of the way you treat me. Gloria, why are you such a cheap blackmailer? So you're making it look like I'm the one maltreating you, whereas you are the devil. You are the evil one here. You've been the one maltreating me in this house. Just because I did you a favor. You knew how you begged for this. Don't worry. Just wait. Our husband will soon get back.
Somebody property. You say someone say na your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say na your own. And the talk you the fight. You say na your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. What you go see? Bahala, you go see. Na trouble you go see. Bahala, you go see. When you go chase another woman,
How can you be asking me what you're supposed to do? You know what you're supposed to do.
It's not easy. It's not easy. Eh? I'm confused. Both of them are important to me. Akudo is my wedded wife in church. Why Asanwa has a child for me? It's important.
I like what you said now. This one, wedded wife. This one has a son. See, let me tell you. If I were you, I would choose the one that has a son for you. Who has wedding never help? Wedding is a rubbish thing. When you had your wedding, who and who came? They only came there to drink the drink. Even me, I did not even give you money that day. I did not give you money. Other people that came, they did not give you money. They came there and drank and left. So you are still talking about wedding. Who talks about wedding this time? We should be talking about son. Son is more important than wedding. This one has a son for you. She is more important. That's what is called important test. See, Asanwa is important test. Akudo is important. Yes. So follow your son. Somebody that will succeed you when you die.
You think it's easy? You think you just say it like that and it's easy? It's not easy. That's what is called wedded wife in church. The one the church recognizes is Akudo. In as much as Asanwa has been very, very supportive to me since I came back to this village. But think of it now.
Marry Asanwa.
What kind of problem?
Marry Asanwa. I know what I'm telling you. Marry Asanwa. You are a man. You are an African man. You are entitled to many wives. Yes, now.
So I will marry 2 wives.
2. So 2. Look at you. Let me tell you. You read your Bible. In the Bible, Goliath, how many did he marry? David, how many? Solomon married 1 village. Do you understand? Zacchaeus, who did it? Everybody in the Bible, they did it. Stop this thing that you are the man, you can do it. Yes, you can marry as many as you want. If you want, I can even organize another one for you. They'll give you another son. See, let me tell you. You have to caution Akudo. The way she's going about this thing, she's overspeed, you know. Because it's obvious that she cannot give you another child. Yes. If not, she would have done that since her child died. Now, you have a someone that gave you a son. S-O-N. Eh? S-O-N. Every family will have it. So that when you die, by the time you breathe last, your son will take over. Now, if you lose this son, don't let Asangwa take your son and run away. If Asangwa take your son and run away, your life will run away. Yes. You know what to do. So think well.
Okay, you're right. All right, because Solomon married plenty wives.
Solomon killed this village. 300 wives and 700 concubines. Oh, what am I being taught? One community. He should not come back to this earth again.
He's dead.
Hi! So let me tell you what you have to do. Go home and make the right choice now. Make the right choice now. You see that boy, that beautiful boy, don't lose him. Look at you and look at this boy. You don't need anybody to tell you that this is your son, in whom you are well pleased. Go home there now and decide on what to do. Marry someone and carry your son and go. If you wait, or do you want me to marry someone?
Sister, what is it? You came back so early. You're crying. Sister, what happened?
Nothing happened. Just leave me alone.
It's Akudo, right?
Who else if not Akudo?
Hey.
No, tell me, who else if not Akudo? Akudo had the guts to come to my shop and put down all my dummies and clothes. Oh, Jesus. I will tell Akudo that I'm not the woman that she can mess around with. The one I gave her today, eh? Yeah, hey.
Sister, I agree with you. Her own is becoming too much. Whatever she wants, give it to her.
What else does she want apart from fight? I will give her that fight today. You see today, I only came back to change my clothes. I am going to her own shop. They will gather for me and her today.
Very good.
I got today for us to separate. I will deal with her. She took me on her ways, Abi. No problem. Meanwhile, where is Paul?
He's sleeping. He has eaten already.
Okay. No problem. Let her do whatever she wants to do on earth. I will tell her that I'm the one that has the key to Amayo's life. I hold the key to his heart. She will not do anything, no. So when she wants fight, let me change. I will go back. We'll find her fight today.
Give it to her.
No.
Sister.
For my people, please. Sister, why are you begging me? Can't I visit my sister again?
No, I didn't say that. Afoma, you can visit me anytime, any day. But since things is like this, I think you have to go. But come to think of it, it's not her fault. If I had given Omenife a child, I don't think Linda would be here insulting me. So it's my cross. Please.
I don't care. Sister, you helped that lady. Why would she turn against you?
Afoma, I'm not complaining. Wait, let me get you water to drink. Then you go. I will make out time to see you. Stop all this thing you're doing. See, that girl is a mad dog. You don't have strength. So stop backing like. I think you should shut up. Calm down. You know I love you. Hold on, you need water.
And what am strength?
Akudo! Where is she? Akudo! Where is Akudo?
She has gone back to her shop.
She has gone back to her shop?
Yes, brother, why are you doing this? Why
Why not wake up from your sleep and call a spade a spade?
Are you mad? Are you talking to me like that?
Why will I not talk to you like that? Tell me why.
Wait, so you've grown wings? You now talk to me anyhow? Okay? You've joined Akudo. Akudo will come back here and meet me. She will tell me why she slapped me here. She will tell me what gave her the guts to slap me.
Brother, I am not sure she slapped you well. Truth they say is Peter. If you want to kill me because of telling you the truth, Mr. Guadiria, are you happy with the way they are killing themselves, fighting up and down in this village? You are the cause of this problem.
Are you talking to me?
Why will I not talk to you in that manner?
You are talking to me. So you've grown, eh?
I will not.
No, you've grown.
I don't think she slept you well. She did not sleep you well. She did not.
Everybody now talks to me the way they like. If I say 1, they will say 20. No problems. Akudo will come back to this house.
You're not ashamed of yourself. You feel like they make you woman rapper. You are not ashamed of yourself. Look at you. I don't think she slapped you well. She did not. She did not slap you well. I'm not sure she slapped you well. If she had slapped you well, your 32 will be on the ground. She did not slap you well. She did not slap you well. She did not slap me well. No, she did not.
So this is my chick that is ready. It's not slap, Abi.
I'm not seeing that fingerprint. You don't have sense. You don't have sense.
Afoma, please. You have to go. You have to go. She has called Omenife. Omenife will soon be here. I don't want trouble. Sister, I am not going anywhere. Let him come and beat me. Hey. Afoma, why are you like this?
Good, he's back.
Hey, let me see how your husband will be here.
Why did you open this gate for this fool? And so? This is my house. I tell you who to open the gate for or not. Right?
In-law, did you just slap him for my sake?
No.
Hey!
Mad!
Omenife.
Are you mad?
Omenife.
This is my house. I tell you who to open the gate for or not. Oh! You brought your sister to come and beat my wife, right?
No, now. Omenife, I swear. She didn't fight
If she doesn't leave now, I will call the police to pick her up.
Omenife, she didn't fight your wife. She can't fight your wife.
Oh!
She didn't fight
You now
your
talk back at me. When I'm talking, you talk. I can see you got guts.
I'm not talking.
But remember the consequence.
Hey.
Okay? Just remember. Now tell her to leave.
Afoma, Una, you have to go. Afoma.
Sister!
Hey, you slapped me. You slapped me because I came to do justice to what you and your harlot of a wife did to my sister. Ose harlot. I am the harlot Omenife.
Wife harlot?
No, she's referring to me. Omenife. Nga illegal. No, I say illegal. Omenife. Nga illegal.
Call my son.
Nga illegal. Nga illegal. One day, I'm talking now. Hey, I'm talking now. Hey, Omenife. Go now. Omenife.
I will take it on the gun. I will find it.
Oga, 1,000 naira.
Yes, that's what I have.
Oga, are you sure we have 800 naira inside?
800. It should be 900 naira.
It's 800 naira. My is 100 naira.
Uh-uh.
You want to fight? You will fight me today. Hey, hey! Where is she? Where is that one? I said Akudo. Akudo! Come on! You want to fight? You want to fight?
Akudo, come on.
Come and fight! Come and fight me! Hey! Yeah, this is you want to fight, Abi?
What is it?
You want to fight?
No.
You think you're mad? will take your mouth. Hey, you come on, fight.
Stop that now.
I will beat you with this place.
No, don't let her be. Let her
Come on, fight.
Hold on.
Who are you? Who are you?
My shop, what can you do?
What can you do?
Madam, my shop. I said what? What can you do? I am not living, no. I am not living this house. I am not living this house. Onalife, you and your husband want to come out and fight me. I am not living this house. I am not living this house. I am not living this house. Come and fight me. Linda, Linda. Oh, I don't mind if you are pregnant. I don't mind. I'm not forgive Mama.
Auntie.
No problems.
Auntie.
No problems.
Auntie, calm down. Eh? Why not you begin to go? May I tell you, my oga don't call police. Oh. My oga don't call police.
I am not afraid of the police. They should come and fight me. Omenife and his wife should come and fight me. I am not afraid of them. Hey! Okay now. I'm not for. I'm not going to die for. I'm going to die for. Linda, I'm not from Baba. Linda, I'm not from Baba. Baba, because I will deal with you. I will deal with you, Linda. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Linda, I will deal with you, Linda.
There you go.
Don't worry, I will deal with you.
There you go.
Don't worry. Hi. Okay now. Come on, where you?
Eh? You don't even they go. I think you know they fear police, but you don't do work how they go. You don't even they go. I think you know they fear police, but you don't do work how they go. Wow. Problem everywhere. Quarrel, fight, war everywhere. You don't fear now they go. One day, police can carry you for here.
Honey, please. I'm sorry. My sister didn't fight her.
Eh? Hey, baby, this man is evil. She's a witch. Eh? You're lying against me, even in my face. Oh my God. Honey, this man is evil. Because of what you just did now, it's now you and I in this house. Evil woman.
Sorry. You're really becoming a witch in this house. And listen, by the time I'm done with you and your sister, she will never set her feet in this house again.
But I said I'm sorry. Linda, why are you doing this to me? Linda, I can't remember offending you. Why are you tormenting me?
Baby, you have to tell this evil man stop calling my name. He's affecting the baby in my womb.
Sorry, baby, sorry. Sorry. Now listen, if you get me more angry, you will remain here until we are satisfied. Look at you. Baby, don't worry. Let's go inside so I can massage your bum, massage your back.
Back is even paining me.
What? Look at you. You think those your crocodile tears will deceive me?
I said I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Big fun.
We have to buy a cane for her in this house.
Yes, no, don't worry. Soon we'll lie you down. She will give you 20 shots of the cane.
And I said I'm sorry.
Don't fall.
I just said I'm sorry.
Sorry, kill you dead.
Linda, why? Linda, why you doing this to me? God.
Look at the tears is not even coming out.
God.
So you can see me those tears.
What is the meaning of this? Why are both of you causing havoc in this community?
Iche, so you don't tell these fake organic products that she didn't run to cut myself to fight me? Eh? Amusua! I like him color. Like each are gonna ride already. Look at that! Eh? She had the cost to come to my shop. She threw away my dummies. To put all my clothes. Hey, we come to this only this more. This
Wait, stop! No, stop it! Look at the front of you should respect him. Hey! Will you stop it?
Whatever.
Boys, take them to your Onoche's house. Onoche tomato. Quickly.
Oh, yeah, move it. Move it, everybody. Move it.
It's okay, let's go. You want to go to the shop? I don't go shop. Move. Is that what? Forget about the shop.
Hey, where's my key? Daddy has plans. She has plans.
Move.
Boy, oh boy. Good afternoon.
Oh, remember to greet your daddy.
How are you? I miss you. Don't worry, eh? Very soon I will come and carry you here. We'll go to the city and live, okay?
Okay.
Come and take you out of here. Eh? I'm glad he's being a good boy.
I can't wait. Has he had the siesta?
Yes, sister. But Anayo's mother was here today. She was so angry.
Huh?
My mother came here.
Yes. Sister, if you were here, it would have been a different game. I've never seen her like that. Even when Paul came out to greet her and call her grandmother, she just pushed him away.
What?
What?
My mother pushed him away.
Yes.
Polo.
Wait.
Going home. No. Don't obi me. I'm trying to know why my own mother pushed my son away. Her grandson. Boy, I'm coming. Okay? I'm coming. Just wait.
Wait.